What if you could play all your Epic Games, GOG and Amazon games directly from your Steam library on a Steam Deck? No desktop mod, no separate launchers, just one unified library. That's exactly what UnifiDeck does, and I'm showing you the complete setup. Let's go. Before we start, you need a Decky Loader installed on your Steam Deck. How to install Decky Loader in 60 seconds. Press the Steam button and switch to desktop mode. Go to System Settings, Users, press Change Password and enter your password. Open the browser and type in Decky Loader. Click the Decky Loader GitHub page, then download Decky Loader. Move the file from downloads to your desktop. Open the file, press Continue, enter your password, select the release version and press OK. When installation is complete, restart your Steam Deck. Okay, let's get started. First, go to desktop mode. Go to Power. Switch to desktop. When you're on a desktop mode, go to your browser, press Steam plus X button and type in UnifiDeck. Go to GitHub page, scroll to Releases. And you need to download this UnifiDeck zip file. It's downloaded. Now you can close your browser and go back to gaming mode. Press 3 dots for quick access menu. Go to your Decky plugin, Settings, General, and turn on Developer mode. Go to Developer tab, install plugin from zip file, click Browse, go to Downloads, and click on file we downloaded 2 minutes ago. Select, Install. Okay, the plugin is installed. Click on it. Now let's connect your accounts. You will see sign in buttons for Epic Games, GOG and Amazon games. I'll try to connect Epic Games today. Click sign in. Here you need to sign in. I'll do it with email quickly. Okay, you can see Epic Games connected. Go back, 3 dots. You can do the same with GOG and Amazon games, but I'll just show for Epic Games today. Okay, now it's synced games to your library, and you need to restart the Steam Deck. Press Restart Now, and if you get a blank screen when you've been logging into Epic Games, it means Epic updated their terms of service. Go to Epic Games website or desktop app on another device, log in and accept any new terms. Then try again on your Steam Deck. Now go to Library, Non-Steam Games, and you can see you have all your Epic games in your library. So let's try Disco Elysium. You can have your verified page as well. Steam Deck compatible. Let's click Install. Yes. And you just need to wait when it's finished downloading. I have so many games here. I claimed all of them for free. If you didn't know, go to Epic Store and every week they have a free games available. And some of them pretty good. Civilization, Sifu, Limbo pretty good. Hogwarts Legacy. That's been a New Year one. Okay, let's try to play. Click play. It says first time setup. So it uses either Proton or Wine for launching the games. UnifiDeck setup complete. Yay, our game starting. Okay, so everything working. And of course you can adjust everything. The same you've been doing for your regular Steam games. Have controls as well. Let's try to play. New game. If you've been claiming Epic's free weekly games for years, this is the easiest way to actually play them on your Steam Deck without juggling multiple launchers. Install takes 5 minutes, syncing takes a few more, and then you've got everything in one place. If this video helped you set it up, drop a like and subscribe. I've got more Decky plugin guides, Steam Deck optimization videos, and handheld gaming content coming regularly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your unified game library.